We all know tank pads and grips are an affordable upgrade that can really help with motorcycle control and comfort. However, if they're not installed correctly, you may not be getting as much mileage out of them as you could. Let's take a look at the proper way to do this, starting with removal. Generally speaking, warmer temperatures will be easier all around. You may consider using a hairdryer and heating up the pad just a little bit to loosen the glue around an edge. This is pretty simple. All you need to do is start prying until you can pinch an edge and then peel it off. It's really that easy. At this point, it's completely up to you if you want to attempt to reuse the pad, but if the adhesive doesn't seem to be in good shape, it's probably time to get another set. If you think you might reapply them, grab some wax paper and lay the sticky side down on top of it. The pad adhesive won't stick to it and you'll be able to reuse it later. When you're ready to install, the most important thing to remember is to clean the tank more than you think you need to. Use something like Windex for best results, or at the very least, use alcohol wipes. Get that area free of all dirt and debris and you'll be good to go. From there, keep your greasy fingers off the back of the pad and peel off a corner. Place it where it needs to go and then remove the rest of the backing. It's just that easy. So remember, take your time, you should be fine. If you go too fast, it might not last. If you have any questions about the process or want to see what's available for your bike, visit twistedthrottle.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the road.